Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So guys, today we will learn and we will discuss about the justify, okay, which is available inside the field menu. So now you can see here there is a justify available. So we will discuss about the justify in this video. So it's too much easy. So first of all, I'm going to merge this one and I'm just going this one practical of justify in Excel. So after this, I'm just giving the field color and I'm just putting this one in the middle of the cell. Okay, so today we'll discuss about justify, which is available in the Microsoft Excel. So using the justify, you can do various kind of works. So it will work same like the wrap text, but there is a different things between the wrap text and the justify. For example, if you put my name is Dipesh Rai, so now you can see here there is a sentence inside a cell which is going outside of the cells. Okay, so if I click inside the wrap text, now you can see here it's coming in the single cells automatically, right? But if you click in the justify, let's see what will happen. So it will separate in another cells. Now you can see here it automatically divided all the sentences in different cells, and it will make uh, which is very useful things, right? So for example, if I want to, today we are going to learn justify in Microsoft Excel. So now you can see here there is a one sentence available inside my Microsoft Excel, right? So if I click in the field and justify, and if I click in the OK, now you can see here my all the sentences came in the same column, and it automatically separated all the sentences in separate cells. Now you can see here it came in separate cells. So if you want to also uh, separate your sentences in different cells, then in that case you can use justify. Okay, so it will work same like the wrap text. There is a few similarities between the wrap text and the justify. Okay, the only one differences between the wrap text and justify in Microsoft Excel is the wrap text will uh, uh, convert all the sentences in single cells, but the justify will uh, convert your all the sentences in the separately in single cells. Okay, so that is the difference between the wrap text and the justify. That's it. Hoping that you understand about the justify. If you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. And if you have still any kind of confusion, please ask me whatever you want, and I'll try to give answer of your questions. And I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.